Do you feel stuck? Like your big dreams are on hold while you're distracted by a dozen open tabs on your screen? You're not alone. The problem isn't a lack of energy or knowledge, but one secret mastered by the world's most productive people: focus. In this video, we'll crack the code of the mental reset to reclaim your lost focus in just 7 days. Watch until the end, because the result will change how you approach everything you do. The hidden enemy: dopamine distraction. For the solution, you must understand the real problem. When you scroll your phone, watch a video, or switch tabs quickly, your brain releases small amounts of dopamine. This neurotransmitter isn't just about happiness, it's about the pursuit of reward. Modern distractions are designed to hijack this circuit, making boring but important tasks like deep reading or learning feel unrewarding. You don't lack willpower. You suffer from dopamine distraction, constantly seeking the next quick hit of stimulation. This is what we need to reset. The reset plan. 7 days to reclaim your focus, the practical framework. This isn't a strict lifelong diet. It's a system reboot, like restarting a sluggish computer. Here are the pillars. 1. The smart screen lock. Allow only 1 hour for personal phone use per day, excluding essential work or family communication. Treat screen time as a precious budget and spend it wisely. Use grayscale mode to make your screen less appealing. 2. Conscious YouTube. No random YouTube for a week. If you must use it for work, use an extension like Unhook to block the homepage and recommendations. You decide what to watch, not the algorithm. 3. The golden 10-minute challenge. Every morning, before anything else, sit in silence for just 10 minutes. Focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently return to your breathing. This isn't just spiritual exercise. It's attention muscle training, like going to the gym for your mind. Simple science behind it. How does this help scientifically? When we reduce fast, excessive sources of stimulation, music, short videos, constant checking, our brain undergoes neural adaptation. Activities with moderate or low stimulation, like reading, working on a project, or even walking in nature, become more enjoyable and rewarding. Neuroscience studies suggest that chosen boredom can be a powerful catalyst for creativity and deep focus, as the mind seeks stimulation from within the task itself rather than from external sources. Beyond the 7 days, from detox to mastery, after a week, you won't want to return to the old chaos. This is the moment to build your sustainable system. Technology on your terms. Use apps that block distracting sites during work hours. Environment first. Design your workspace to be distraction-free. 1 screen, 1 window open if possible. The golden rule: turn your phone into a tool, not a companion. Leave it in another room during deep work sessions. Focus is the superpower of the 21st century. Your final challenge. Are you worthy of your own focus? Try this plan for just 7 days. Write in the comments how you felt before and after. Share this video with a friend who you know needs this push. And if you're serious about taking your productivity to the next level, subscribe here, because on this channel, we break down more myths about the mind and productivity. See you in the next video.